You know, the American dollar, we all work for them. We're all like, hey, give me more American dollars. But lately it's been like, hey, can I do anything other than American dollars? Because it seems like there's a lot of these and it's not really worth what it used to be. Oh my God, help me. Well, Las Vegas Coin Company, if you're looking for a way to take your dollars and put it into something that's a little more finite, a little more going to hold on to its value, I want to talk to our next guest.
That's right. He is John Jankowski from Las Vegas Coin Company on Eastern, joining us this morning. John, great to see you. I love your new space picture behind you this morning because you are definitely out there in the cosmos, my friend. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you very much. By the way, I should mention, if I will, the message you left us yesterday to make sure I wear a nice shirt. Really?
Wow, it's a nice shirt. I will
like
say,
I'm incapable of picking out my own clothing.
I did make a personal call over to the business. It's on Eastern, south of the 215, on the west side of the street. And I said, could you, Scott? Could you tell John to wear a nicer shirt tomorrow? I did that. Wow, you're looking sharp, my friend.
Handsome man, I'll tell you.
Well, that's because I didn't pick this one out. But here we are.
Don't pick up your clothes. Don't pick out your clothes going forward. And I think we're going to be in business. Speaking of business very good right now with Las Vegas Coin Company. People are trying to get out of the American dollar and invest in something else. Why and what can they invest in that'll be good for the future?
That's a good question, Sean. Right now, people are afraid, they're skittish of having the American dollar. And a lot of people have piled into the cryptos, which don't have the same history of safety that the gold and silver markets have traditionally held. Mm-hmm. It's unlikely that somebody can tweet across the world and tank the gold and silver market, as we've seen with Bitcoin
Elon
lately.
Musk all the time. Yep.
Yeah, he tweets and all of a sudden a worthless coin like Dogecoin goes up in value, then it goes back down. And it's not a great way to manage wealth.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to gamble a little bit on the crypto, I see nothing wrong with that. I think there are going to be crypto millionaires. But gold and silver have been a long time store of value. Mm-hmm. With the amount of money that our government has printed in the last, 3 months, we've never had this much money printed in circulation in the history of the globe.
Yeah.
As such, it can almost not help but to rocket up the price of gold and silver.
Yeah.
I would expect gold to be somewhere between $2,300 and $2,500 an ounce, and silver to follow commensurately.
Where are the prices as of this moment, as of the time of this recording?
Right now, we're looking at about $1,880 an ounce gold. You're looking at about $27.60 or 80 cents an ounce per silver.
Wow.
And so this is a time when hard decisions have to be made, and you have to step outside the box. We were trained to buy stocks, bonds, put it into an IRA, those people, and save money. Saving money now is going to be a lost cause. If the inflation erodes 15% a year at some crisis point, you're losing money for every dollar you put in the bank.
Yeah.
Very difficult to invest your money now.
Yeah. Certainly. It's such there's more options than ever. It's really interesting what's happening. John, you have something to show us. We do love your show and tell. I believe you may have a bill, maybe even a coin to show us this morning.
I do.
There we go.
That wasn't nice, Sean. I heard that snarky comment.
I said, here we go. I'm excited.
No, he's supporting you.
I'm actually excited, John. Jeez.
He's suffocating because of the shirt. Yeah.
We have some big money here.
Oh.
You can probably see that.
Hey.
Those are larger than your typical bills.
Before 1928, currency was this size.
Wow.
And so.
Oh, crazy.
I hate to allude to the fact that money was worth more then because it was bigger, but that was truly the case.
Yeah.
Printed in 1914. Very interesting. In fact, I had a wallet from this period of time as well, which was, of course, oversized to hold these.
The size of a U-Haul truck, yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Pretty much. And then
totally.
Here we have, this is interesting, too. This is an assortment of $1,000 bills and $500 bills.
Wow.
Occasionally, we've taken these on the show in the past.
Yeah.
I'll tell you a $1,000 bill story that I kind of thought was amusing.
Hey, John, we got just a few seconds left, so let's hear it.
I took this note to a 7-Eleven, got a big gulp, and I put this across the counter. And she looked at me, I can't take that, it's counterfeit. Well, if she had been smart, she would have. This is worth about $3,000.
Oh, see, very expensive Slurpee.
Yes.
John, it's great talking to you as always, and I know a lot of people are thinking about getting into precious metals. A great time to swing by to Las Vegas Coin Company. Great to talk to you, buddy.
By the way,
Thanks.
you bet. Before we go, I like a half Coke, half cherry Slurpee. What's your choice, John?
I do like, I would share with you.
Wow.
Excellent.
All right, cool. And, in non-COVID times, there was safety and whatnot.
Well, yes.
Exactly.
LasVegasCoinCompany.com. Go there, check it out. He is right there on Southeastern Avenue, right where Las Vegas and Henderson abut, south of the 215 on Southeastern. Website, phone number right there on your screen. Las Vegas Coin Company, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.